so this is also for staff and students mail. Like if I want to use it, this logo means that it's only for those who are crutches and wheelchair users. So anybody who comes and you see this sign, you cannot enter. Okay, so can you remove the rag? Right. So you see that this one, the width is so wide in that I can enter and turn around. So we've put Asanteman. So nobody, if you are not in wheelchair or crutches and you are not a male, you don't have to use this place. So this one is for gents urinal and then staff 2, male. So okay. So you can enter this one through the urinal. You can open that place for me. Open the lock. Open the lock. Please, the Asanteman code in Finland has been so good to us, and I'm more than happy because now when visitors come and they want to visit the laboratory, I feel so proud to open the place for them to see. So this is the outcome of your donation of 3,286 Ghana cedis, which you receive through your representative. This is what has been put to use, and I will make sure, together with the management, that we maintain this place. Thank you very much. I want us to go to the director so that we also show appreciation for what we have done. Thank you. We are now the director to show appreciation on behalf of the center. To conclude the appreciation, I think you bought us a pumping machine motor. And before we got yours, there was an old one which was in operation. But because of the power fluctuation, it got burned about 2 weeks ago. So we have to contact the electricity company, and they have recommended a phase failure gadget to be fixed on that. Other than that, all motors that will fix, because of the power fluctuation, it will bend the motor. And this one, we don't want to think that maybe we did not contribute, so we can fix it and then get it bent. So we are now looking for that gadget. Just yesterday we went to Kumasi and we got one. We got a shop that sells one, but they say it costs 400 Ghana cedis. So we are now looking out for money to buy it and then fix it and fix your motor, so that we begin to enjoy the full support from Asanteman in Finland. So we are very grateful. The machine is still there, and we are now combing around to get the 400 Ghana cedis to buy the gadget immediately, and then we fix it. And I hope as soon as we fix that, your representative will come and inspect it and give you the feedback. Thank you very much. I'm in the residence of the director of Jachie Training Center, together with the management members, some of the management members, Mr. Robert Olusu, management member, Madam Heti Ibamensa, management member, and then Mr. Sekwedo is the director. Now that we are finished with the support, the purpose of the support, we want the director to show appreciation on behalf of the center.
Image of the school, the staff, and on my own behalf, I think this is one of the most important things we have got from Asanteman society in Finland. This has been so because for some time people come to visit us, and the image also who go to that place, washroom, the place was completely an eyesore, and it took us some time to come around for people to support, but nobody came to our aid until this Asanteman issue has come. And from what the look of things now, you could see that now the place is a place worth going and worth visiting, and it will add up to tourists and people who come to visit us to give us an image which is also acceptable anywhere when we meet. And we could say now that the disabled person, when given equal opportunity, can also do better. So on this note, I would say a very big thank you to Asanteman Society for what they have done, and we know this is the beginning of things to come, because once they've shown this interest and they have lifted up the image of the disabled, we know what follows will be another great milestone in the affairs of running a society school like this. We thank them very much, and we hope this our relationship will be a continuous one, and we also try also to have a culture of maintenance so that we don't end up the way it was when people were even afraid to go to that room. And we know with this culture of maintenance, which will be our hallmark, we hope it will also pave way for them to get more things which they will know that we are capable of taking care of. We thank them very much, and we hope everything that the society takes will be blessed by the Almighty God. And this is our sure assurance that the cooperation would not wane, but will continue.
Yes, to conclude,